Hi, I am Dr. Sagar. There are lot of confusion which hand should be taken in consideration for prediction. Someone will say take left hand of female, someone will say take right hand of a male for prediction. But in this video we are going to clear all of these confusions about right hand and left hand. First we see what does right hand and left hand indicates. According to my experience, right hand indicates active part of life that you change it with your experience and your education about life, and left hand is indicating natural course of life. So it is left hand is natural course and right hand you change it with your education. We can say in short, left hand is passive and right hand is active. But there is an exception. In case of naturally left-handed persons, the thing is left hand is active in their predictions and right hand is passive. So this is the important thing you should consider before predicting left-handed person, right-handed person. So first, before prediction, you must know whether he is left-handed or right-handed. Then the misconceptions about left hand reading in females. First I will explain why it is misconception, because say before 100 years female candidate is only doing natural course of life, like she is cooking, taking care of children's, marriage. So she is only following her natural course of life. So her left hand is taken in consideration for prediction. But in modern era, sex is irrelevant for the prediction of future, because with education and experience, females are also doing same career as males. So for their predictions, right hand is taken for the prediction. And why should we study both the hands, left hand and right hand? As I told before, left hand is natural course of life. So you will know your natural strengths and weakness with the left hand, that you can correct it on your right hand. And the last one, comparison. We must take consideration while predicting both the hands, left hand and right hand, and we always compare signs of left hand in right hand. Why? I will explain with an example. Left hand is called as natural hand while right hand is called as progressive or active hand. Why? Because left hand will indicate your health, your nature, what you take from your birth. It is natural. And right hand will change according to atmosphere, according to company you get from your birth. We'll take an example. This is the cross mark present in the left hand, which is present on moon, which will indicate the person is prone to have acidity. This is the natural conditioning of that person. He is taking it with his destiny. Now if he knows it, if he changes his lifestyle, if changes his food and time of taking food, then in the right hand the same cross is disappeared or it is somewhat diffused. So we can say the natural sign of acidity is somewhat lessened in right hand. This is the progress from natural to active. I hope you find this information useful. Stay tuned with me. Thank you.